Hey guys, the question is, how was I able to sell $150,000 worth of wetsuits with a $6,000 budget using nothing but Facebook ads? Well, I used the same 5 steps that I've used with dozens of clients and that I teach my students in my online seminars. So step 1, choosing the right product. When it comes to choosing the product, your personal opinion means absolutely dick. Rather you would or wouldn't buy something doesn't mean someone else would or wouldn't. So with the wetsuits, they're simple and it doesn't require a lot of explanation in order to see the value proposition. So step 2 is targeting. We wanted to target those individuals who are most likely to purchase our product or service. In this case, we targeted people who were members of triathlon groups on Facebook or who were triathletes. So I also set an audience or an age group. So I set the minimum age at 34. My thinking behind this is when you're 34, you should halfway have your shit together. You should be able to afford the wetsuit. So next is you've got to offer upfront value. Now, once we had our audience targeted, this is the ad I placed in front of them. As you can see, 149 coupons available, which allow you to purchase a wetsuit for $159 total. Now, that's $241 off the initial purchase price, so it's a great value proposition. Now, why is this so important? Well, I'm using the scarcity tactic. Nothing lights a fire under someone's ass like the fear of loss or the fear of missing out on something. So I also answer their main question. What can you do for me? Let's be honest, no one gives a shit about your company or your product or service. Their only question is, what problem of mine do you solve? How can you help me or make my life easier? Now, as you can also see, we got a shitload of shares. So we got a bunch of free exposure, and it's a very simple call to action. Hey, download your free gift is basically what it says. Click here to download your free gift. Now, when they clicked on it, I brought them to this optimized landing page. Now, I used a video background. Now, in this exact video background, it was aimed to pull on your emotions. As humans, we're emotional buyers, or we're emotional creatures. If I can pull on your emotional strings, I'm more likely to pull a sale out of you. So out of everyone that landed on this page, 50% of them gave their email address, which is phenomenal. I think the industry average is only about 10%. So that was fantastic. Now, out of those 50%, 30% of people paid or bought a wetsuit within 24 hours. Now, how the hell did I accomplish this? Well, 3 things. The optimized thank you page or the landing page I took them to after they submitted their email address. No, I'm not going to show that to you as that's reserved for clients and students in my courses. The second thing is the automated responder emails that are in place. No, I'm not going to show those to you either, as the specific copy and images are for clients and students. However, I will tell you about the third. Now, it's called retargeting. Now, this is a phenomenal tool for any advertiser that knows what they're doing. Now, what this does, it allows me to retarget people that did not submit their email, so they went to the landing page, but they didn't purchase. I'm able to follow them around the internet and place this ad in front of them. Now, as you can see, I highlight the price, so I'm basically hitting them with that fear of loss again. And it says, hey, your discount's still available. Basically, what the hell's wrong with you? Now, why am I telling you all of this? Not to give away my tactics or strategies, even though I am a nice guy and I do genuinely want to help people. It's more selfishly, it's about me. I want to create more of these success stories. So if you would like me personally to assist you in your business in building a advertising campaign just like this one, or you'd like me and my team to do it for you, click on the link below and contact me personally. And that's all she wrote, folks.